Hello, food enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, the place where we explore the fascinating world of cuisines. Today, we're diving into the heart of Vietnamese culinary delights to uncover the hidden gems of a dish that might not be as well known as pho but is equally delicious: Bún Măng Vịt, the Vietnamese duck and bamboo shoot noodle soup. Get ready for a culinary adventure as we unveil the unknown facts and unique features of this flavorful dish. Before we jump into the unknown facts, let's quickly recap what Bún Măng Vịt is for those who might not be familiar. It's a traditional Vietnamese noodle soup featuring a hearty broth made from duck and enriched with the earthy goodness of bamboo shoots. Now, let's get to the interesting part. Historical roots. Did you know that Bún Măng Vịt has deep historical roots in northern Vietnam? It originated in Hanoi and surrounding regions, where the colder climate inspired the creation of heartwarming, flavorful soups. The dish has since spread across the country, becoming a beloved part of Vietnamese cuisine. Seasonal sensation. One intriguing aspect of Bún Măng Vịt is its seasonality. Unlike some dishes available year-round, Bún Măng Vịt is often considered a seasonal sensation. Why? Because the best bamboo shoots are typically harvested during specific times of the year, making the dish a delicacy enjoyed during those seasons. Medicinal bamboo shoots. Now, here's a surprising twist. The bamboo shoots in Bún Măng Vịt aren't just delicious, they also carry medicinal properties. Bamboo shoots are rich in antioxidants and have been used in traditional medicine for their anti-inflammatory and detoxifying effects. So, enjoying a bowl of Bún Măng Vịt isn't just a treat for your taste buds. It's a boost for your health too. Versatility of duck. While many might associate duck with rich, indulgent flavors, Bún Măng Vịt showcases the versatility of duck in a light and refreshing soup. The duck is skillfully prepared to impart a unique taste that perfectly complements the bamboo shoots and other ingredients. It's a harmonious blend of flavors that sets this dish apart. DIY delight. Here's a fun fact for those who love to try their hand at cooking. Bún Măng Vịt is a DIY delight. Many Vietnamese households take pride in preparing this dish from scratch, creating their own unique variations of the broth and perfecting the art of noodle soup. So, if you're feeling adventurous, why not try making it at home? Culinary symphony. Bún Măng Vịt isn't just a soup. It's a culinary symphony of textures and flavors. The bamboo shoots provide a satisfying crunch, the tender duck adds a savory richness, and the noodles bring it all together. It's a dish that plays on your palate, creating a delightful harmony of tastes with each spoonful. Cultural significance. Delving into the cultural significance of Bún Măng Vịt, you'll find that it often takes center stage during celebrations and family gatherings. This dish isn't just about nourishing the body. It's about bringing people together, sharing stories, and creating lasting memories around a steaming bowl of aromatic goodness. Art of broth. The heart of Bún Măng Vịt lies in its broth, and the preparation of this liquid gold is truly an art. The broth is simmered to perfection, extracting all the flavors from the duck, bones, and aromatic spices. The result is a soul-soothing elixir that captivates the senses and leaves a lasting impression on anyone fortunate enough to savor it. Regional variations. Just like many traditional dishes, Bún Măng Vịt has regional variations that reflect the diverse culinary landscape of Vietnam. Each region adds its own unique twist. Whether it's the choice of herbs, the thickness of the noodles, or the specific spices used, exploring these regional nuances adds a layer of excitement to the culinary journey. Street food gem. While Bún Măng Vịt might not be as famous as some Vietnamese street food staples, it's a hidden gem worth discovering in local markets and street food stalls. Locals often swear by the authenticity and unbeatable flavors of street food versions, making it a must-try for food enthusiasts exploring the vibrant Vietnamese food scene. Rituals of enjoyment. Beyond its culinary allure, Bún Măng Vịt comes with its own set of enjoyment rituals. Locals often have specific preferences for condiments and accompaniments, such as fresh herbs, lime wedges, and chili. These rituals not only enhance the flavor but also add a personal touch to the dining experience, making it a ritualistic delight. Culinary adaptations. In the ever-evolving world of gastronomy, chefs and home cooks alike have embraced the versatility of Bún Măng Vịt. You'll find creative adaptations that include variations with seafood, chicken, or even vegetarian options, catering to different tastes and dietary preferences. It's a testament to the dish's flexibility and universal appeal. And there you have it, the unknown facts of Bún Măng Vịt. This Vietnamese duck and bamboo shoot noodle soup isn't just a bowl of comfort. It's a culinary journey through history, seasons, and health benefits. If you've had the pleasure of enjoying Bún Măng Vịt, share your experience in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more food adventures, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Until next time, happy eating!